To set up PAT, port address translation, or also known as many-to-one NAT, we've got a router up. I'm going to say no to the initial config dialog. We don't want the wizard there. Enable prompt and configuration. First thing we're going to do is actually set up the external IP address that our ISP has given us. So we're going to do IP NAT pool, give it a friendly name. We're going to give it an IP address. So our ISP gave us 7070.70.1. Now I'm putting this in a second time because we are constraining this just to this one IP address, because that's all they've given us. Net mask of 255.255.255.252. And if you've done any ISP configs where they've just given you two IP addresses, 71 is your local, and then 70.2 would be the remote gateway. Alright, so that's done. So we've got the external set up. Now we need to set up the internal. So we're going to do access list, and we're going to do access list 1 permit, and then we're going to define our inside pool. So we're going to say 192.168.0, actually we'll do 10.0, 0.0.0, so an inverse net mask. We've got that built. So the outside's built for our public. The inside list is built. Now what we've got to do is go IP NAT inside. We've got to tell the NAT inside that we're using a source list 1, which we just built here, and combine it with pool Acme Co overload. When we've done that, IPNAT inside, it's an algorithm. It's taking source list 1, which is defined as 192.10 0 network 1 through 254, and map it to pool Acme Co overload. Overload means that we are only going to this one IP address. There is a many-to-many, not quite as a common configuration, but you've built this part. Now we need to define which interfaces are which. Which one is ISP facing, which one is our internal network. Int G0/0 IP address 70.70.70.1 255.255.255.252 NAT or IP NAT outside. No shut. Int G0/1 IP address 192.168.10.1 255.255.255.0 NAT IP inside, or sorry, IP NAT inside, no shut. And that's it. You've just set up a many-to-one NAT with a static public IP address.